guys, what we are make today are some tuna salad and cook up tuna. So we are do two separate methods. Wanna stay tuned. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Guys, it's so nasty outside. It's raining all morning. And I say, you know what? Let me come on to my best friends and just show them how I prepare my tuna salad and cook up tuna. So basically, I'm gonna do the tuna, the canned tunas, two different methods, guys. So you can use it as a salad, where you can eat it with your favorite bread or crackers, or if you just want to spread it over a salad, it's absolutely okay. Or if you want to go the other way, guys, which I prefer it the other way that I'm gonna tell you, to cut up onions, tomatoes, red bell peppers, scallion, get a little oil and fry up my seasonings, and then I add my tuna, and I can have that with some rice or even bread, guys, or whatever you want to eat it with. So if y'all want to see how I prepare this today, just stay tuned. So here, guys, I have 4 cans of tunas. So 2 I'm gonna use as the salad, and the other 2 is what I'm gonna use to cook it up over there. So the first thing you always want to do, guys, is make sure to wash your cans or clean them off with damp cloth, which is what I'm doing now. The next thing, guys, I'll be opening them and draining the water from the tuna. Some tunas, guys, some of them come in water, some in oil. So it doesn't matter which one you use, it's absolutely okay either way. So we're gonna put this aside for now. I will then be adding my drained tuna to a mixing bowl. So here's my tuna, guys. It's flaky. If you don't want it this way, you could always use a fork to kind of crush it out, but I like it this way. The next thing we'll be doing, guys, is we'll be chopping up all our fresh veggies. The finer you chop it for this method, guys, is the better, because you don't want to be eating your tuna salad and then you're tasting these big chunks of onions and tomatoes. You want to get them as finely chopped as you possibly can. And guys, you can make this tuna salad your own. You can add celery, you can add dill. Make it your own, guys. So mine is gonna be on the plainer side. I'm not using too much onion since it's just 2 cans I'm making. If you don't have onions, you can also substitute for something called shallot. It's like related to the onions. They're smaller and they have more flavors. But I'm just going with what I have today because I will not be going out in that rain, guys. We're moving on to our green onions. I'm using a piece of pepper, just a tiny piece, because this one is very hot, guys. I just like to taste some heat in my tuna salad. So leave a comment in my comment section and let me know which method you prefer, and let me know what you use in your tuna. You know, it's always good to learn, guys. Let me know which one you prefer, hot or cold. For me, it's the hot one. And the lemon, guys, is optional because not everybody likes the taste of lemon in their tuna, but for me, I think it cuts some of the rawness down and it helps it not to change color too much. Okay, guys, we're moving over to our tuna. So since it's only 2 cans, I'll be adding 4 spoons. You can increase or decrease if you like. And this is optional too, guys. This is mustard. You can use it or you can leave it out. It's absolutely okay. I'll be adding a 1/4 teaspoon of this. Around a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. The salt is optional, guys. I don't like a lot of salt, so I'm gonna leave the salt out, but if you wanna add salt, you may. So we're gonna combine all these and just mix them in. So I have just added my onions, my hot pepper, tomato, scallions, and also my bell peppers. And I'm gonna be combining everything, just mixing everything. Look at this, guys. I think we need a little bit more mayo. So I'm gonna go ahead and add 1 more tablespoon. I'll just be adding like a little squeeze over mine just to take some of the rawness, and I'll be mixing it in. When I come back, I'll be showing you how I do my tuna salad, and I'm gonna be using it with bread. In this next step, guys, I'll be chopping up some lettuce. It doesn't matter what kind of lettuce you use. And then I'll be putting my favorite bread. You can use brown bread, wheat bread, white bread, whatever bread you like. Or, like I said, guys, some nice crackers. So here's my tuna. Here's my lettuce. We're gonna be chopping it up now and adding it to our favorite bread. You can have this as a snack or as a meal. It doesn't matter. It's your preference, what you want it for. Now guys, that we're done chopping up our lettuce, I'll be using some good old hard-dough bread. This is just my preference, guys. But you know the healthiest way to go is always with wheat bread. So I'll be adding a little bit of mayo to my bread, and then I'll be adding my other stuff. So you don't need a lot of mayo, guys, just a little coating. Then I'll be going in and I will be adding my tuna on one side of the bread. You can add as much or as little tuna as you like. Then I'll be going in with my lettuce on top. And if you have tomatoes too, guys, you can also add some. It's absolutely up to you. And we're done. Okay, guys, for this next method, here's all my seasoning that I'll be using. I'll be using some black pepper, a little bit of salt to taste. So let's get our stuff chopped up and then we head over to the stove. Okay, guys, make we chop up our stuff now. For me, in the one that you cook up, I love to have a lot of onions. So I'm gonna put some more onions in this. I'll be putting a lot of spice in this also. And just a tip, guys, I did not drain the liquid from this because this is actually oil. And since we'll be using some oil to fry up the seasoning first, I won't be taking this off. I'm just gonna go ahead and reduce the amount of oil that I'm gonna use to fry my fresh seasonings up. So come with me over here. So guys, here's my chopped up seasoning, my pot that I've heated. I'll be adding a little bit of oil and then we'll be sauteing our veggies and adding the tuna to the pot. Keep stirring it around because you do not want to burn your onion. So guys, I'm trying to film this by myself. So bear with me if you can't see as much as I would like you to see. I'm trying my best. So now that I'm done sauteing my veggies, I'll be going ahead and adding my tuna and just combining everything together. I'm gonna increase my stove a little bit. I'm going in with a little bit of black pepper, not too much. And a little tip of salt, just to taste. Guys, I wish you could smell this aroma that's coming from this tuna. Wow. I'm gonna go in and cover it now for about 2 to 3 minutes and then we'll be all done. Okay guys, we all done. And guess what? I'll be serving this with some rice and some little veggies on the side. So when you see me again, I'll be presenting my tuna, the 2 different methods from my kitchen to yours. So here you go guys, my canned tuna, 2 different ways. And I'm presenting this from my kitchen to yours guys. Here's my cooked up tuna. And I'm gonna be having this with some rice. This looks amazing, right? And then here's my tuna salad, which I'll be having with some hard dough bread. I wish you all could join me for lunch. And guys, we've come to the end of this video. And if you did enjoy, please guys, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget, most of all guys, to hit your post notification bells so you will never miss one of my videos. And as always guys, be safe and I love you all.